Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and because you really enjoyed my last grocery haul, I thought I'd share another one this week. This is just a small grocery haul where I had to replenish some staples, and I'm going to be making a chicken orzo soup coming up this week, so I thought that I would show you the ingredients that I bought for that. So let's start with the cold stuff. So I needed an onion, and I needed some celery for the soup, and I also like to have celery on hand, you know, if I'm making a stir fry. It's just real easy to pop that in. And I got some carrots, because I'm gonna need carrots for the orzo chicken soup. And if you'd like to see that recipe, let me know, leave me a comment below this video, and if there's enough interest, I'll share that recipe. I also got 1 cucumber for a salad. And I always like to have peppers on hand, so I always buy a pack or 2 of these 3 bell peppers. They're great just to eat by themselves, you know, cut them up and have a few slices with your sandwich or throw them in a salad. It's just an easy way to get some vegetables in. And then I bought some cashew milk because I'm going to be making a video on my two go-to smoothie recipes. I'm not a real big breakfast person, so if I have a late lunch or a larger lunch in the evening, instead of having another meal, I oftentimes will just make myself a smoothie full of protein. It just keeps me feeling full and satisfied until the next day. I also got some bananas. These are not bananas that I would have picked because I don't like them with bruises, so I'm not happy with Walmart about my bananas this week because I'm fussy when it comes to stuff like that. And I got 12 of these Oikos pomegranate raspberry yogurt. I get them every week. I have one of these for breakfast, and the dietitian suggested that I have like maybe 4 or 5, you know, walnut pieces just to go with it to sort of even things out. And that really is enough food for me in the morning. I've never been like a huge breakfast eater. Unless I'm on a cruise, then for whatever reason, like I want a huge breakfast and I'll have like scrambled eggs, bacon, watermelon French toast. I guess it's just because somebody else is cooking it. I don't know. But yeah, not a fan of breakfast. And I also got this 18 pack of eggs. I'm not a big egg person either, but I'm trying to have them, introduce them more into my diet as a way of getting extra protein. So I'm going to make some boiled eggs, maybe some egg salad sandwiches. Last night we had scrambled eggs. So I'm trying. I'm not a huge egg fan, but at least I'm trying. And then my husband wanted some lemonade, and he also wanted an apple juice. I'm not a big juice person either. And I bought some frozen bananas already cut up, as well as just whole strawberries, because I'm going to make a strawberry banana almond milk or cashew milk smoothie to try, because I had this really good smoothie when I was at the Vancouver airport when we went to Hawaii. So I've been trying to like replicate it. I'm not a big fan of strawberries, but I did like that smoothie. So if I can replicate it, I'm going to share it with you. I somehow ended up with 12 cans of chickpeas. I ordered 4, got 12. Don't ask me what happened. I also got a can of sweetened condensed milk and some cream cheese and some graham wafer crackers because my daughter's birthday is next week, and she asked me if I would make her my lemon cheesecake, my no-bake lemon cheesecake. If you have not watched that video, I'll link the card here. It is super simple, super easy. Takes like 5 minutes to make it, but know that it's not going to be firm like a cheesecake that you would bake. It's going to be like a little on the softer side, but if you follow the directions, it should turn out perfectly fine. Let it sit in the fridge. Overnight is best, but at least for 6 hours, and I think that you'll like it. It's a nice, refreshing dessert for summertime. I bought some more Ryvita crackers. This one time I got Muesli Crunch. I think that's how you say that. And then I saw these by Ryvita. They're a snack bread, and they only have 80 calories. I think it says for 4 slices. So that might be good, you know, on my charcuterie board if I'm having that for dinner with where I have like a cheese stick, some almonds, and then apple and 1 or 2 of these. And then I wanted some 7-Up. I've been craving 7-Up. So I got a 12-pack of 7-Up. I also wanted to show you these. I actually ordered these on Amazon. And I went to New York State a few weeks ago because I had placed a small order of a few pieces of Scoop clothing. Walmart.com, because I just wanted to see what they're like. We can't buy them here in Canada. So I went into their Walmart store to look at the groceries because they have different groceries than we do, even though I'm like 5 minutes away from the US border. And I tried these Blue Diamond almonds. They are the best almonds I've ever had in my life. So I've been looking all over, can't find like the big bag. I had like a huge bag like this I got for like $9 US. And when I go on Amazon Canada, they want $30. There's no way I'm paying that. So I thought, let me check if they have other sizes. So I saw this deal. It was, I think, $13 where you get 18 packs. They're like little snack packs. It's still more expensive, obviously, than going and getting them at Walmart in the US. But I just wanted to see what they were like. So I thought I'd show these because almonds are good for us as long as you don't eat more than a 1/4 cup of nuts in a day, because nuts are fattening, but they have good fats in them for our heart and such. This is the perfect size like to have for that with the little charcuterie board. But I did notice that the almonds in the individual packs are a little smaller than the ones where you get like in the big pack. So I don't know why I can't buy the big pack in Canada other than on Amazon, and it's $30. I'm not paying that. So I'll just plan on maybe going to New York State maybe every 4 or 8 weeks, and I'll just stock up on my almonds and hope that whenever I cross back into Canada that there's no issues. So I just wanted to mention that. Not a huge haul. I buy my meat at a butcher. I showed you that in last week's grocery haul. I may do some oven roasted chickpeas, and if I do that this week, I will be sure to record that and share it with you next week. But today feels like a fall day. It's pouring rain. It's cool, but it's supposed to get sunny and warm again. I'm just hoping we do not get that humidity. So if you want to see more grocery hauls, click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to hear what some of your favorite things are to buy at the grocery store. So let us know in the comments. Thanks for spending time with me today. I appreciate you. Bye.